In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters on Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to zero in on exactly the rows you need without changing or deleting your data. Filters are perfect for scanning large tables, focusing on specific categories, and answering quick questions from your spreadsheet. Start by heading to Google in your browser. In the top right corner, click the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets. This takes you straight into Google Sheets, where you can access all your spreadsheets. Open the document you want to work with. If you have multiple tabs inside your file, make sure you're on the tab that contains the table you plan to filter. It's also a good idea to confirm you're signed in to the correct account so you see the right files. Next, highlight the range of data you want to filter. Include your header row if you have one, since that's where the filter controls will appear. Try to select a clean rectangle of data without stray blank columns or rows on the edges. If your table has totals at the bottom, keep those outside the selected range. Now go to the menu bar at the top and click Data. From the drop-down, choose Create a Filter. You'll notice a subtle change. Small filter icons appear in the header cells of your selected columns, and your row numbers may get a green tint. That means filtering is turned on for this range. Click the filter or funnel icon in the column you want to narrow down. A panel opens with three powerful options. Filter by color lets you show only cells with a specific fill or text color. Filter by condition lets you apply rules, like showing values that are greater than a number, contain a phrase, or are not blank. Filter by values lists the unique entries in that column, so you can choose exactly which ones to display. For this example, we'll use Filter by Values. You'll see a search box at the top and a checklist of values below. Type a word or phrase in the search box to quickly find matching items. This is great when the list is long or has many categories. Once you've selected the values you want to keep, click OK. Your sheet instantly hides rows that don't match, leaving only the data you ask to see. You can reopen the funnel icon anytime to adjust your selections, or switch to a different filter option. That's all it takes to use filters in Google Sheets. You've focused your view without changing the underlying data, making it faster to analyze and share exactly what matters.